In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to basic types of gussets that a structured bag can have. And the first one is the tote bag construction. It is usually very wide at the base and tiny at the top. And so this is the tote bag gusset construction. This is the handbag gusset construction. Does not mean that it can only fit for handbags, but mostly used in handbags. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a U-shaped, and this is how it is. And the pattern construction for this one is usually that you cut the body in a straight way together with the base and to the flap. So you cut it in a straight manner and you use the gusset to give it box shape. Then you also have the stripe assembly construction. Why is it a stripe assembly? Because you have to cut a stripe in order to join the gusset to the body of the bag. So this is also a straight pattern cutting. You can see that this prolongs towards here to this side. Also, this is also a stripe assembly construction, and you can see the type of gusset that this has. So unlike this type of stripe assembly, where the base is cut together with the body of the bag, the base of this bag is not cut together with the body of the bag. In the case of this type of bag, you have to cut the front separately, cut the back separately with the back has to be with the top and with the flap, okay? But the base is cut with the side of the bag. The base is cut with the side of the bag, and you attach it to the body of the bag with a stripe. This is the briefcase gusset construction. This gusset construction is usually used in briefcases. You can see what it looks like. So the front body of the bag is cut separately from the back, and the back is cut together with the top and then with the flap. This is another gusset type for this bag. So this is a single gusset bag. Just one gusset extends through the bag, and in this case, you cut the base is also not cut together with the body of the bag. You cut the front separately, you cut the back together with the top, and together with the flap you cut that separately. So this is a separate pattern and this is a separate pattern, and then the gusset gives the bag the base. So this is the bag that we are going to be learning for the sake of this beginners workshop. So this is also the same bag as this, and you can play with the handle. The top handle for this is what I've removed into this place, and I have fixed a chain handle instead. So you can also change the handle of this one into a chain handle. So let us cut the pattern.